Let's go, nigga.
Hey,
I'm good. I don't care about you, man. Back up.
Hey,
nobody called you.
Somebody did.
Stop.
We didn't up here randomly.
I don't care.
Here's what I'll tell you.
I've been I love you. I love you, big fella. I love you, big fella. I love you too. I love you, big fella. I love you, big fella.
No, don't just say it. What? No, he's doing that because he did. No, leave each other. Chill out. He's cool. He said he's cool.
On May 3rd, 2024, Ohio officers responded to a family disturbance between two brothers. One brother had allegedly scammed the other out of $5,000 in shoes. The other wanted to settle it with his fists. He arrived with a legal theory. Every charge that followed traces back to how wrong that theory was.
Chill out. That's it. Chill out. That's it, nigga. That's it. Chill out. Yeah, that's it. Ain't nothing they can do. It's a mutual fight. Ain't nothing they can do. Chill out, bro. Ain't nothing they can do. It's a mutual fight. Let's go. Let's go, nigga.
Hey,
I'm good. I don't care about you, man. Back up.
Hey,
nobody called you.
somebody did. We didn't up here randomly.
I don't care. No.
What's the
I
deal?
don't care. I don't care. I don't this man. He probably the one that called the police.
Did I call the police?
The police pull up.
Oh, okay.
Someone in the building did.
Yeah.
Exactly.
I don't care.
Can we go
I
ahead and
don't
take care of
care.
this? Can we go ahead and take care of
You
this?
doing all this? The police. You stay out.
I'm not even the one that called
I
us.
don't care, bro. I don't care. I don't care who called you. That's what you don't understand. I don't care who called you.
Can I? If y'all don't care,
I don't care about that.
we can go ahead.
Like I said, it's a mutual fight. He don't have to do nothing.
And get it
It's a
over.
mutual fight.
I don't want that to happen.
Yeah.
Someone get hurt.
Unless he press charges. That's the only reason they have it.
Yeah.
Tell him to leave. You good?
Is that cool?
I know it's cool.
Let's go ahead and let's go.
I know it's cool. I know it's cool.
So here's the thing. I'm not gonna condone.
No, they gonna have to arrest us if they witness it. Tell them to leave. I know.
I'm not
Tell them to leave.
gonna say.
If they see us fight, they gotta arrest us. Tell them to leave. Tell them to leave. I don't give a fuck about the police. Tell them to leave. I know the law.
Okay.
I don't care. I don't want to hear what you gotta say, bro.
Okay. I'm trying not to take anyone to jail, bro. So
Now you
here's what I'll tell you.
I've been
They live together and they just have just getting it.
Y'all can go. Ain't no problem here. Bye.
Here's what I'll tell you. So
Unless
everyone
he
can
say
hear.
assault, y'all ain't got no reason to be here.
Mutual combat's not illegal. It's not illegal to
Yeah,
fight
it
the
ain't
same
illegal.
day.
So bye. If y'all witness it, y'all gotta arrest us. I know the law. Bye.
But here's the
I
deal.
want them.
I don't want anyone getting hurt, and we gotta come back out
Ain't
here and
nobody
start
gonna get
hauling
hurt.
people off in a
But
minute.
him. But him.
Ain't nobody gonna get hurt.
Hey, stay right there on the corner.
So not illegal to fight. I'm telling you.
I know it's not. You ain't gotta tell us.
Don't
Bye.
fight.
Bye. You want to
Okay.
say assault? He don't want to say assault. Bye. We don't need y'all.
My only complaint.
We don't need y'all.
Is y'all got neighbors out here calling the police?
We don't need y'all.
That's
don't
my
need
only.
y'all.
That's my only complaint.
The same neighbors that been fighting. We don't need y'all. Nobody got no complaint. See y'all later. Thank you. What's your name? Officer what?
Oh.
Officer what? All right. Y'all can have a good evening. We don't need y'all.
All right. No guns, nothing like that?
No, ma'am. We don't answer questions. Bye. We don't need y'all. What's your name? You gotta identify yourself. You're a police officer. You're a public servant. Identify yourself. My problem is with that man. We don't need y'all. Y'all can leave. Like I said, are you willing to follow up a complaint? Y'all take it up with him, but I'm not. You ain't gotta, no, don't address me. I already told them to leave. We don't need y'all.
Everybody else here.
No, everybody else here agree with me. We don't need y'all here.
The only person.
We don't need y'all here. I don't care. I don't care. We don't need y'all. Identify yourself before you talk to me. Identify yourself. Okay, well, fine. You know that's a part of your penal code. You know that's a part of your penal code. You know, no, I don't care. Arrest me. And I'm going to sue you. Go ahead, try it. Go ahead, go and get your penal code. I want you to. I don't care. You can't arrest me for being loud. Bye. Bye. Okay. We don't need y'all. I told you. We don't need y'all.
Where do you guys stay at?
No, it don't matter. Don't ask questions. We don't answer questions.
If you want to keep your mouth off
No,
the reason,
it don't matter.
where do you guys stay at?
No, they don't have to answer questions.
I'm not talking to you.
No, they don't have to answer questions. Don't answer shit.
If you don't say this apartment complex, you can leave.
No, we don't have to.
You do.
We don't have to. No, we don't. We don't have to address you. We asked you to leave multiple times. We don't ask y'all to leave multiple times. Get your supervisor here.
We're not going to do this.
Either y'all leave or get your supervisor here. Because you're going against the penal
We'll
code.
stay here.
Hey, you gonna check him?
Because people are being loud.
Okay.
All right?
Okay, we
You
calm
guys
now.
can handle it differently.
Nobody said
sure.
nothing. Nobody said
But
nothing.
here's the problem.
No, it's not a problem. Leave. We're not loud no more.
People in these apartments should be able to sleep peacefully.
You're right. Leave. We're not loud no more. We don't need you.
Just
I don't have to.
You don't. You're right. But don't talk to us. We don't need you.
If you don't live here,
You're a
need
public
to
servant. We do not need you. I promise you.
go. You don't live here, you need to go.
Okay, call your supervisor.
For what?
Call your supervisor because we don't have to tell you that.
Can you please get in the car?
No. Be quiet, please.
I need you to get in the car.
Bro, Toddy, be quiet,
Need
please.
your address card? Okay. If you don't live here, you are parked in a private tailway.
It's not a private way told if you live here.
There's a sign right there.
No, people live here. If you moving in, you can park right here. Yeah, if you live here, you can park right here. Call a supervisor.
If one of you guys live
Call
here,
call
no
the
one say
supervisor,
anything.
man.
So if you live here, I suggest
Call the
going to your car.
supervisor. Call your supervisor, man. Call the supervisor, bro.
For what?
Because it's code. If I ask for a supervisor, you have to call. Yes, it is. It's penal code. It is penal code. I'm gonna sue you, man. I'm telling you. I'm gonna sue you. I'm gonna sue you. And you the only one that state your name.
Somebody else leave.
You the only one that state your name, bro.
It was Lindsay.
I told you, we don't need you. So leave.
Come on. All right, so hey, this the hook up.
No, don't nobody say nothing.
He just said.
Don't nobody say nothing. We don't need
Mutual
you.
combat was perfectly
That's
fine.
fine. The
Okay, so
problem
we
with
don't
that
need
is-
you.
I don't care if you guys fight. Here's the problem though. People live here.
Nobody. Everybody be quiet.
That's what I told you. The noise is the problem.
Okay, be quiet
I
now.
don't care if you
Leave.
knock your guys' teeth out.
Leave.
That's irrelevant to me.
Okay, we're not allowed no more. Leave. Leave, because you didn't identify your.
I did.
You
It's Lindsay.
no, you what?
It's Lindsay. It's the third time I've told you.
Okay. Okay, we don't need you. Either call the supervisor or leave, bro. We don't need y'all.
You're not my boss.
And call the supervisor then. You have to. I requested a supervisor. Okay, I'm gonna sue you. I'm gonna sue you for your I'm gonna sue you for your yeah. I'm gonna sue you for your retirement.
That's fine.
Yeah, I know what I'm talking about. We're not allowed no more. We don't need y'all. Y'all need to leave.
Trying to help us out. Let's
Hey,
go.
everybody, please.
Let's go.
Everybody, please. Everybody, please. No, can we get our stuff? You're not getting shit until we get our stuff. That's simple. It's simple. It's real simple. Send our stuff, we'll give you your stuff. Now you don't bring that from the police? Come on, huh? You're a snitch. You're the police. Now you give us our stuff, you get your stuff. It's simple. I would have never touched your stuff if you would have sent our stuff. It's that simple. I requested a supervisor. Now I want to. He's snitching. I gotta talk to a supervisor, man.
What do you need to talk to the supervisor about?
Because it's penal code, and that's what you swore to. Is it not?
We're not calling a supervisor out here.
Are y'all saying that's not
You
penal
want to talk
code?
to a supervisor?
No. If I ask for a supervisor, y'all not supposed to call him?
Depends on what you want.
No. It doesn't matter. I don't have to tell you. It's private. It's private. Yep. I'm gonna tell him when he pull up. Tell him he'll know when he pull up. It's the truth. It's kind of hard. I know what I'm talking about. We don't need y'all. We're not loud. We don't need y'all. Either, bro, look. Either no. Now y'all inserting yourself in business. Here's the thing. No. If y'all call the supervisor or leave. Yes, it is. Yes, it is. Call the supervisor. It's penal code. Don't talk, bro. Now he want to grab the shit.
Right, let's go.
Look at him. Whack. You whack as fuck. Yeah, that's all I ever wanted. Send our shit then. No, bro. No, bro. No, bro. Bro, move. Don't come here. We're about to go to jail. Don't come in here. Give us our shit. Give us our shit. Yeah, big fella, what? Big fella, what? I'm right here, nigga. Hey, you don't fuck with
I love you.
right
I love you. I love you. I love you, big fella. I love you, big fella. I love you too. I love you, big fella. I love you, big fella.
No, don't just say it. What, bro?
No, he's doing that because he did. Y'all leave each other. Chill out. He cool. He said he's cool.
Please. Stop, Bill. Bill, stop, bro. You pissing me off, bro. Stop. Hey, that's not necessary. Stop. That's not necessary. Stop. I'm on the phone. Shut up. Get off me, bro. I can't breathe. Bill, let him rush you. No, he just hit my head against the fucking door. You let him do that. Stop. Bill, stop, man. Call the supervisor, bro. Call the supervisor, bro. Nobody needed y'all. Call the supervisor. Call the supervisor, bro. Call your supervisor. No, fuck you. Call the supervisor. You should never arrested me. Y'all said it was cool. Get off of me.
We're done.
That's some dumbass shit.
Call the supervisor.
I'm fine, y'all. I'm not pressing no charges.
So get off of me.
Get up.
Y'all said it was cool. Get off of me.
Yeah, it's cool that you
No.
guys fight. It's not cool that
No.
you cause disruptions.
Get off
I'm
of me. I ain't
done
causing
playing with
disruption.
you.
We was fighting. Get off of me. Let me go. Let me go. Call your supervisor. Call your supervisor, bro.
He's on his way out. Don't you worry.
Don't hurt my brother, man.
Y'all just said it was cool. Y'all just said it was cool.
He pissing me off, bro. He's pissing me the fuck off.
What else needs to be taken? Whatever. I have no clue. I'm assuming it's all the shoes or his.
He got their money and he got his shoes. They live together in this building.
I figured as much. I figured as much.
And he won't send their money, so that's what they meant. That's what they meant.
Yeah. Well, I mean, this is just ridiculous.
It's ridiculous. We've been out here for way too long over
How long?
that can just be sent to like 2 hours probably.
Really?
Y'all just said it was cool. Y'all just said it was cool.
Yeah.
Fuck yeah, we just fought. Nigga, get off of me. I don't give a fuck. Nigga, call your supervisor. I'ma sue the fuck out of him. I'ma sue the fuck out of him. You better leave me alone. And man, and man, calm your ass down. Fuck you, nigga. Fuck you, nigga.
Out. These can come off.
No.
But we're done.
No. You can't arrest me tonight. I'ma sue you. You can sue my son. I'ma sue you.
You're not gonna keep fucking up on me.
Man, fuck you, nigga. I told you to call your supervisor.
Yeah, he's on his way.
I'ma sue your ass. Let me go. Y'all just said it was cool to fight.
Get in the car.
Not getting nowhere.
Get in the car.
Y'all should have called your supervisor.
Yeah, he's on his way out. Don't
Fuck
worry.
you. No. You have no right to treat me like a fucking...
You're in this position.
Get off of me.
This is how you act.
No, let me out. I didn't do nothing illegal. Get off of me.
I'm not.
I didn't do nothing illegal.
You.
Let's examine the constitutional framework. The subject's foundational claim, mutual combat is not illegal. Under Ohio law, that claim is false. Ohio Revised Code Section 2917.11 criminalizes recklessly causing inconvenience or alarm to another by engaging in fighting or violent behavior. The statute contains no consent exception. Ohio does not recognize mutual combat as a legal defense to fighting in a public or semi-public space. The law's concern is not whether both parties agreed. The law's concern is the impact on everyone else present. A third-party complainant from within the apartment complex had already called police before officers arrived, satisfying the another person element of the statute. Before the first officer set foot on scene, the subject argued that officers had no authority to remain and demanded they leave. That argument has no legal basis. Under Terry v. Ohio, decided by the United States Supreme Court in 1968, a case originating from Cleveland, Ohio, officers may remain whenever specific articulable facts support reasonable suspicion. A documented third-party complaint from a residential building satisfies that threshold. A private citizen cannot unilaterally revoke a lawful police response. That authority does not exist. The subject correctly identified one legal principle. Profane speech directed at officers is generally protected under the First Amendment. City of Houston v. Hill, 1987, established that offensive language toward law enforcement does not alone constitute criminal conduct. Officers did not arrest the subject for his language. The arrest was grounded in the sustained 2-hour public disturbance. These are legally distinct grounds. Accurate knowledge of one does not validate the other. When officers initiated the arrest, the subject physically resisted. The use of force is evaluated under Graham v. Connor, 490 United States 386, 1989. The standard. Reasonableness from the officer's perspective at the moment, not through hindsight. 3 factors govern: severity of the offense, immediate threat to safety, and degree of active resistance. All 3 were present. No weapons were deployed. The force applied soft, empty hand control was the minimum level that would affect the arrest. The Graham analysis supports the force level used. Ohio Revised Code Section 2921.33 prohibits resisting a lawful arrest by force or recklessness. The charge stands or falls with the underlying disorderly conduct arrest. Given the 2-hour residential disruption, the documented third-party complainant, and officers' documented attempts at verbal resolution before enforcement, the disorderly conduct arrest appears legally defensible. The resisting arrest charge follows from it. The subject was charged with disorderly conduct and resisting arrest. Final court disposition is unknown at the time of this analysis. The responding officers receive a B+. Exceptional patience across a 2-hour verbal confrontation. Lawful grounds for arrest. Force proportional to resistance. The deduction from a full A reflects one tactical note, citing Ohio Revised Code Section 2917.11 by name. Early and directly may have interrupted the subject's false legal confidence before physical intervention became necessary. The primary subject receives a D. Ohio has no mutual combat statute. That foundational error drove every subsequent decision and produced 2 avoidable charges. The subject correctly invoked the right to remain silent and the right to request a supervisor. That partial accuracy could not compensate for the central error. In law, a correct premise matters more than a confident delivery. One principle defines this encounter. Partial legal knowledge deployed with total confidence is more dangerous than no legal knowledge at all. The subject correctly identified Section 1983 claims, First Amendment protections, and supervisor request rights. But his foundational premise was wrong, and everything built on a wrong premise collapses with it. In any police encounter, comply with physical commands, exercise the right to silence, and contest legality in court, not on the street. The street is not a courtroom. It never will be. Let us know if there is an interaction or legal topic you would like analyzed in the comments below. Thank you for watching, and do not forget to check out our second channel for more police interaction and courtroom content.